everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica. Today I have an update for you. This is, let me scroll up here, Nightmare on Pan Street. This was a Halloween horror movie themed painting project that started last Halloween and goes all the way to this Halloween, which is a month away. There were 40 prompts and it was done randomly. I think it was like 6 or 13 at once. I think that is what this project was. And I was just kind of going down the list. My intention at the beginning of this last year was to just keep adding prompts in every month until I could add them all in because, you know, I like horror movies and it was fun. But, you know, life happened. Life happened. And that put me way behind, several months behind. And I have not been able to put in all the prompts. It is what it is. So I'm just going to be working with what I had already had in here and not add anything else in since we only have a month left. So let's get into this update. I have 3 things rolling out, nothing rolling in, obviously. And let me show you my empties and, or, you know, goals met, empties, and what is continuing on in here. All right. First one is Scream, an item that makes you scream with delight. This is the Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk. I really like this, but not as much as I like the smoothie, which is in the flat packaging. It's like a container like this, but with this kind of label. That is my favorite of the two, just because it is heavier. And even though I have a lot less hair now than I used to, because it's still falling out, I still have very, like the strands are thick and coarse, like each individual strand is, and it just, the other stuff, the smoothie works better on my hair. Plain and simple. Next is the Dracula. Dracula is a product that sucks the life out of you. Literally, this is the Skin Fix spot treatment. It is in their Acne Plus line. I do still get breakouts even at my age because I'm an oily girl. This was just a usage goal. I have met that goal. So that is just going to go right back in my drawer along with my like tons of other ones. And, you know, we'll go work on that some other time. And then Lost Boy, something that makes your face look not dead. I put in the Milani Illuminating Face Powder. This was just a usage goal. And of course I met my goal on that one as well. All right, so those are my 3 rollouts, 1 empty and 2 usage goals met. So far, I have 16 products either finished, goal met, whatever. And I am not going to be, like I said, doing the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 prompts that I did not get to. So, you know. I feel like I'm doing okay. So that would have put me at what, 29? Is my mathing right? I don't know. So yeah, I have 13, I think 13 things here that I should still be working on. We'll count them as we go. All right, going in order of the list, Halloween, a set of sheet masks or a full or deluxe sized mask, and I'll do sheet masks. So I put in the Philosophy Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor Mask. I'm actually making pretty good progress on this one. I don't know that I'll be able to finish that. I am down to here. I was up to here. And I wasn't allowed to use this for a while because it has exfoliating like beads or whatever in it. And I had to be super careful with everything that I used while I had open incision and even soon after because, you know, the sensitivity. So I don't know that I'm going to get this one done, but I am enjoying it. I'm still using it. Even if I don't finish it in this project, I'm probably going to attempt to get that done before the end of the year. I do really like it a whole lot. All right, moving on to The Conjuring. You don't know what possessed you to purchase this item. A peach color corrector. Because I don't have dark under eye circles. I get like that yellowing, but I don't get darkness. And peach is a dark circle corrector because dark circles tend to be like on the purpley side. I still use it periodically for some things. It just, that's not one of them. And the weight has not gone down even though I've used it. It started at 13 grams. I'm still at 11 grams. I haven't worn makeup much in the past few months. It's not getting done this year. It's not going to happen. I will keep working on it for the next month because, you know, why not? It's not getting done. The next movie is A Quiet Place. It is a product that makes you speechless. I have a lip treatment. It is the Exuviance Targeted Lip Filler. I am making really good progress on it. Again, I don't think it's going to be done in this project in the next month, but I am probably going to continue using it throughout the end of the year. You can see all of my progress lines, and I am down here at this blue line, and it's getting harder to like make the line, so you know, there's that much product left. We'll see how it goes. I know it's not going to be done by Halloween, but you know, I'm going to keep playing with it. Next is the Invisible Man, and that is something that erases like primer, concealer, foundation, powder, etc., etc. I put in this primer. This one, I'm not sure if I can make it in time, but I'm going to keep trying. Hopefully, if I actually do my makeup on a regular basis, that I can get this done. It is the Catrice Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base. It is the Keep Me Matte version. Yeah, I was up here before. Now I am down here. I'm just going to keep working on it. I'm not even sure that that line is completely accurate. It might be just below that blue. And it's going to be done this year. By Halloween, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. That's the story of my life right now. And I'm not mad at it. I'm just going to go with the flow. Next is It. It is a product that is scary as, and there's a whole bunch of symbols there to pan. That for me is liquid lipstick. What did I do with it? There it is. This is the Buxom Devious Dolly, and it is their, what is it, Wildly Whipped Lightweight. I really like this, but it's a liquid lipstick. This one doesn't dry down completely like some others, so it's not as drying, but it's still, it's not in my wheelhouse, so to speak. And should I be wearing it right now? Yes. Am I? No, of course not. It's not going to get done this year. It's just not going to happen. Next is another one that might get done this project, might not. It's Carrie. It's an item that is a sin not to have in your collection. That is tea tree oil. I love it, especially for breakouts. Yep, I love this so much. There's very, very little. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see it. There's just like the tiniest little bit right here. I could feasibly have this one done in this project, which is kind of exciting for me. I have some maybes here, and I have some definitely nots. This next one is definitely not going to happen. I originally wanted to finish. That is not going to happen. This is for Amityville Horror. It's a purchase that haunts you. I didn't even purchase this one. I ordered empty palettes, empty magnetic palettes. They sent me highlighter palettes, and I got 4 of them. And so, yeah, it haunts me because they're still in my collection, taking up inventory space, but I digress. It's actually not a bad palette, but yeah, it's not going to get finished. Not going to get finished. It's just not going to happen. Next one, I don't know. It might not even get opened. This is the Blair Witch product. It's something black, and I chose the African Black Soap from Plant Guru. I absolutely love it. Again, couldn't use it for a long time because of the whole surgery issue. I had to be super careful with what I used on my body, and I still do to some extent. This definitely will exfoliate because it actually has plantain skins and that kind of stuff in it. So there are areas that can be a little bit rough. So I'm not going to be using it right now while my incision is still very sensitive, very tender. So yeah, that one's not going to get done. It's just not going to happen. Let's see. The next one was not intended to be finished. I just put it in for usage and not even specific number of uses. Just I wanted to use it. And this is Alien, something that is one of a kind in your collection, or an alien to your collection. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I'm sure I had the line on a piece of paper somewhere. I don't know where that is right now, and I'm not really that worried about it. but I probably used about this much of it. There used to be a line up here that was like part of the actual imprint, and that's long been gone. I have used this quite a bit. I will use it on my brow bone to brighten it up, and sometimes I'll use it on my inner corners. This is just one of those products. It's going to take a very long time. I'm not mad at it. I'm gonna use it here and there, and you know, if it gets done, it gets done. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm not worried about it. Next one got pushed over here. This one, I haven't even used it, and I probably won't before the finale. This is The Thing, an item that you're not sure how to use, which is probably why I haven't used it. This is the Natural Rapids Charcoal Clay Healing Mask. It is a powder, and I guess you mix it with things and create a paste out of it. I don't have time for that right now. The way my life has been this year, this calendar year, I don't have time to play with that. Nope, not worried about it. Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, it's a duo or double-ended product. I have the Laura Geller Shadow and Liner in Unearthed and Dutch Chocolate, and my goal is to use this 5 times, which is sad because I haven't used it once. Not once. Hopefully I will use it by the finale, but I'm not going to promise anything because that's kind of like, that's where I am right now mentally. I am finally starting to feel a little bit better. I'm definitely not 100%. I'm far from that. I'm probably at like 80-ish%, but like I feel like my personality is coming back, even though I have restrictions physically of what I can and can't do. I'm making the best of it, and I'm not going to sweat the small stuff. I'm not going to. I guess when you deal with something that could potentially be life-threatening, the little stuff just doesn't matter anymore, and I'm not going to get upset about, you know, not using a certain product. Oh well. Oh well. All right. I've got 2 more products, 2 more movies. I Know What You Did Last Summer. I remember when that first came out. That is something you purchased in a past summer. This is the Bare Minerals eyeshadow in Sundress. My goal is to use it 5 times, and I have used it twice. I love it. It's kind of different. It is like a beautiful buttery yellow, but it has a slight like, teal green shift to it. Really like this one a whole lot. I will probably get my last 3 uses on that one. And Get Out. That is a product you want to get out of your collection. I feel that way about all of my ABH stuff. I just want it to get done and get out of my collection. This is their lip gloss in Vintage. My goal was to use it 10 times. I haven't used it once because I have been hyper focused on getting some of my other products done. And yeah, I haven't been bothered with that one. Oh well. Oh well. That's just kind of the way it goes. I don't foresee a whole lot of empties at the finale, but I'm really going to work hard on the primer to see if I can get that done. The tea tree, there's a very good chance that's going to get done because when I have like some breakouts, because you know, I'm a woman and breakouts happen, I will use this when I feel something coming on, and put like a drop or 2 in my moisturizer morning and night, and I will do that, you know, for a week or whatever until my skin feels like it has calmed down, and then I'll only use like 1 drop 1 time per moisturizer. So I usually do it at night if I'm like on my maintenance, so to speak. So I foresee this being done probably. Potentially the primer, like I said, none of the other stuff, but I can get the other 3 uses on this eyeshadow. So potentially 3 goals or rollouts, whatever, for finale. I'm okay with that. I will be okay with that. Because if I get the 3 more, then I will be at 19 of 29. I can live with that. I can totally live with that. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Definitely go check out Val on Instagram, and Jaylon is here on YouTube, though Val and Jaylon are usually on Jaylon's channel and doing their updates, so you can check them both out right there. And I know this is coming back with some more prompts. Yes, I think it's already up in the group. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it's already up in the group. All right, I'm gonna wrap this up because my brain is fried right now. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.